In this video, I will share tips that can make a woman fear losing you. She will see you as an important person, and she will not be able to bear being away from you. For those of you who are already in a relationship, this method can make your relationship more harmonious. And for those of you who are still in the approach stage, this can make it easier for you to get the girl you like. Here are the tips. 1. Regulate the intensity of your communication. One of the most dangerous things when you're in a relationship with a woman is when she starts to feel bored with you. What causes this boredom? The answer is that you communicate with her too often. You ask her out too often, you can't resist sending her messages every day, and so on. Communicating too often with a woman will not make your relationship harmonious. On the contrary, sooner or later, you or even she will feel bored. Therefore, regulate the intensity of your communication with her. Don't ask her out too often, and don't send her messages every hour asking her about unimportant things. Get used to keeping your distance from her. For example, don't contact her for 2 days, or only send her messages when you want to ask about important things. Make her understand that you need time to focus on other things, that you're not just busy with love, but also have work to finish or new things to learn. A quality woman will understand the reasons you give. 2. Don't test her feelings. Most men misunderstand the feeling of jealousy in women. Many men deliberately make women jealous just to test them, with the excuse that jealousy is a sign of love. Let me remind you, don't do things like this. Don't ever test a woman's feelings. As a true man, you should respect a woman's feelings, protect them, and avoid things that can hurt her. A woman will respect you more if you can protect her feelings, if you don't flirt with other women, and if you understand and appreciate her mood. 3. Be an intelligent man. Every woman needs a reliable partner, a man with a strong character. The intelligence I mean here is not about having a high GPA or many degrees, but the kind of intelligence that a woman needs is when you can solve problems, offer solutions when she needs them, and keep the conversation going. The way to become an intelligent man is to feed your brain with useful things. Instead of being busy scrolling through photos of women on social media, it's better to use your time to read books or listen to podcasts with useful content. I've proven it myself. By reading books, I have a wider range of knowledge that I can rely on when a woman needs a solution or when I have to communicate with a woman. Just imagine, if you have nothing in your head when a woman says A, and you just answer B, I guarantee that she will leave you right away. Conclusion: here are the 3 ways to make a woman afraid of losing you. 1. Regulate the intensity of your communication. 2. Don't test her feelings. 3. Be an intelligent man. That's all for this video. I hope it's useful.